Hi everybody, I wanted to make a little video about how not to get ripped off at car body shops. I took my Ford F-150 into one of them here in the neighborhood, and wanted to ask them if they could fix or change the door hinges on my Ford F-150. Well, after it was all said and done, they checked it all out and everything, and they said, oh, needs new hinges. They said those cost over $100 a piece, and they couldn't do it for less than like $420. So I did a little checking, and you know, when you go and talk to these guys, they don't know that I was a diesel mechanic for over 30 years. So I went and checked around. I went over to O'Reilly's, and they had hinge pin kits. So I bought one. I bought two of the kits because only one comes in a kit, and you got two hinges. So I bought two kits for like a little over $16. Well, I brought the kit home. I was having trouble. I couldn't even shut the door from pulling from the sitting in the truck and pulling on the outside door handle to get it shut. That's how bad it was getting. So I went ahead and I only changed the top hinge because that seemed to be the worst one. I put in a new pin and bushings for, you know, a little over $16. It's crazy. So don't ever listen to these people, because they're just ripping you off. I mean, try to find somebody honest. Well, I'm here in a kind of a shaded area. This is the hinge. It's kind of windy out here, and all you got to do is just grind off the top of the old hinge pin, knock it straight down through. Take sorry, trying to show you this part of the bracket right here just needs to come off the door, and all I did was put a floor jack right here. Sorry, my hand's too close to it. The vent window, I just open it up, and I take and I put a rope around this doorpost, and then just take the rope and wrap it around this wiper arm right here, and just tie it so that when you take it off, it can't go anywhere. And I can't believe that they wanted to charge $420 because they says, oh, we don't change the pins and bushings, we change the whole door hinge. That's why it's so expensive. But I got on Amazon and looked for door hinges, and you can buy them for $22 a piece. So I hate people that try to rip you off. So I'm just letting you know, kind of watch out for these people. Never take them at their word. You know, find out from other people if they can do the job right, and not cost you an arm and a leg. Okay, well,